On this remarkable planet, we witness not only nature's wonders, but also the achievements of human endeavor. Today, January 2nd, 2026, our focus turns to Vietnam, where a significant milestone is being celebrated. The GCV Industry Alliance Vietnam has reached a new height, marking a moment of pride for both the nation and the global community. What they've built isn't made of steel or stone, but of information, a digital ecosystem alive with possibility. This achievement is a testament to dedication, unity, and the power of shared purpose. Their accomplishment is a spark, igniting hope and ambition throughout the GCV network. Let's pause to appreciate this moment, a new chapter in our global story. Let us celebrate their success and look forward to what comes next. Vietnam's achievement is extraordinary. 25,000 GCV industry data records created. Each record is a real business, product, or service, meticulously entered for accuracy and value. Imagine a digital forest, each record a tree, building a thriving commercial ecosystem. Reliable data is the lifeblood of progress, enabling trust and growth. This is a monument to hard work and belief in the GCV mission. The impact of their achievement will be felt far and wide. A grand vision is only as powerful as the action behind it. The GCV Industry Alliance Vietnam didn't just dream, they executed. They transformed a bold idea into a tangible reality, step by step. Execution is where progress happens, and the Vietnam team mastered it. They set a clear target, 25,000 records, and broke it down into manageable tasks. Each member knew their role and saw the impact of their work. This methodical approach created momentum and built confidence. Progress was the sum of small, consistent actions. Their strategy was deliberate and focused, turning ambition into achievement. Unity fueled their execution. No one could have done it alone. The teams supported each other, shared knowledge, and celebrated milestones. Their environment empowered everyone to do their best work. This is a victory for pragmatism and action. The Vietnam team proved that vision and execution must go hand in hand. Their journey is a lesson in turning dreams into results. They didn't wait for perfect conditions, they acted. Their success is a blueprint for others to follow. The power of a unified, focused team is immense. Every step forward was a testament to their commitment. They've shown that with the right approach, any vision can become reality. Their achievement is a shining example for the global network. The world is watching and learning. At the heart of this achievement are two pillars: teamwork and discipline. The special envoys of Vietnam operated as a single, cohesive unit. Their collective strength far exceeded individual effort. Teamwork meant sharing burdens and rewards, supporting each other through challenges. Knowledge flowed freely, allowing the team to grow together. Regular meetings fostered collaboration and innovation. Alongside teamwork was a deep sense of discipline, a shared commitment to excellence. Each member took responsibility, showing up and maintaining high standards. This balance of support and accountability drove their productivity. They built not just a database, but a high-performing team. Their organizational harmony is the secret to their success. The Vietnam Special Envoys made extraordinary achievement look effortless. Their story is a lesson in what's possible when teamwork and discipline unite. Every great journey needs skilled leaders. The GCV Industry Alliance Vietnam was guided by Ms. Lumari and Mr. Jojo. They led not from above, but alongside their team, sharing challenges and celebrating every success. Ms. Lumari inspired with vision and perseverance, keeping the team focused on their larger purpose. Her resolve motivated others to push through difficulties and believe in their mission. Mr. Jojo brought strategy and support, breaking down tasks and ensuring the team had what they needed. His hands-on guidance created confidence and security. Together, they formed a perfect leadership partnership, one providing vision, the other a practical roadmap. They empowered the special envoys, fostering trust and dedication. Their leadership style was humble, patient, and deeply respectful. The team's success reflects the wisdom and guidance of Ms. Lumari and Mr. Jojo. They showed the world what true leadership looks like. Their partnership set the tone for the entire project. The culture they built enabled extraordinary achievement. Their example will inspire leaders across the GCV network. The journey's success is a tribute to their leadership. They have set a new standard for others to follow. Vietnam's achievement is more than a local victory. It's a blueprint for the world. They've created a model that can be studied and replicated by GCV alliances everywhere. The key set: bold, clear goals and pursue them with discipline. Their structured approach and strong leadership are lessons for all. Vietnam's model highlights the power of teamwork, servant leadership, and a shared vision. Technology succeeds when driven by inspired people. By sharing their blueprint, Vietnam accelerates progress for the entire GCV family. Other countries can learn, adapt, and avoid pitfalls. Vietnam's generosity lights the way for others. Their success is a catalyst for global growth. The world now has a proven path to follow. Vietnam's story is an open invitation to all GCV special envoys. Their message: look at what we've done, you can do it too. This is encouragement, not competition. Vietnam wants others to build their own vibrant ecosystems. Study their methods, learn from their teamwork and discipline. Reach out, ask questions, and seek guidance. The GCV network thrives on collaboration, not rivalry. Vietnam's team is ready to mentor and share their knowledge. Let their achievements spark your own ambition. Set bold goals, create a plan, and foster unity in your teams. The path to success is clearer than ever. Vietnam has lit the way. Now it's our turn to follow. Let's honor their achievement by building upon it. Together, we can create a wave of positive action across the globe. Trust is the foundation of any thriving ecosystem. The GCV Industry Alliance Vietnam built trust by creating 25,000 verified, reliable data records. Each record is a brick in a solid foundation for a trustworthy digital economy. Reliable data creates transparency and accelerates commerce. The team chose quality over speed, understanding the long-term value of accuracy. Their disciplined focus on reliability makes their achievement profound. This foundation will support growth and innovation for years to come. As others follow, the standard must remain: create reliable data. The strength of the global ecosystem depends on the integrity of every record. We must all commit to excellence and meticulous work. By doing so, we build a network worthy of the world's trust. Vietnam's example sets the bar for all. The achievement in Vietnam offers a glimpse of our shared future. It's a future built by united communities, not isolated individuals. The global GCV ecosystem is like a coral reef. Each contribution adds strength and beauty. Vietnam's work enriches the entire structure, providing new opportunities for all. Let their story inspire us to act with unity and purpose. Let's commit to building real value and reliable data. Support one another, share knowledge, and celebrate collective success. The journey is long, but we walk it together as a global family. The future is something we create, not something that happens to us. Every verified record and act of collaboration builds the world we want. Vietnam has shown what's possible. Now it's our turn. Let's join hands and continue building this remarkable ecosystem. Together we shape the future.